Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Stage Manager in Control Center. Tap it and watch windowing appear. Once done, connect an external display if you need more screen real estate. Stage Manager will extend or mirror intelligently. Make sure to use the recent strip on the left to drag apps into your workspace and resize windows by dragging any corner. This first step gives you flexible multitasking instantly, so you can arrange apps before diving into workflows. Now arrange windows and build spaces for your tasks. You drag one app onto another to create an app group, then resize each window so the focused app is prominent. This helps when you need reference material beside an editor. Next, use split view inside a window for two-up editing, or float a utility app in front for quick input. Once your layout feels right, save it as a space via the Stage Manager menu so you can recall the exact arrangement later. Finish by fine-tuning settings and learning shortcuts. Go to Settings to change icon scale, recent strip options, and external display resolution. These tweaks reduce clutter and improve performance. Then practice keyboard shortcuts and pointer gestures so you can switch spaces instantly. If Stage Manager misbehaves, for example a window freezes or won't resize, disable Stage Manager. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then re-enable it. This simple reset resolves most hiccups without losing your saved spaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.